Galatians chapter 1, starting at verse 11. Church say amen. Amen. But I certify you, brethren, that the gospel which was preached of me is not after man. For neither I received it of man, neither was I taught it, but by the revelation of Jesus Christ. For we have heard of my conversation in the time past in the Jews' religion, how beyond measurement I persecuted the church of God and wasted it, and profited in the Jews' religion many above my equals in my own nation, being more exceedingly zealous of the traditions of my fathers. But when it pleased God, who separated me from my mother's womb and called me into his grace, to reveal his Son in me, that I might preach him among the heathen, and immediately I conferred not with flesh and blood. My brothers and sisters, I want to back up to verse number 15, and he said, but when it pleased God, who separated me from my mother's womb and called me by his grace. The title of today's message will be, who separated me? Let me hear the church say, who separated me? Let me hear them say it one more time. Who separated me? Paul, the Apostle Paul, who was a Jew or a Pharisee, who studied the law, who knew the law. And Paul, he persecuted the church. Oftentimes I wonder how you could be in the law but still do things that the law say don't do. Paul persecuted the church. Paul killed the church. But am I right or wrong? Does the commandment say thou shalt not kill? But you see, when Paul persecuted people, he persecuted the Gentiles. And the Gentiles did not count. Because if the Gentiles had counted at that time, then Paul would have been guilty of murder when he was fulfilling the law. Who separated me? My brothers and sisters, we're living in a time now that the world is trying to conquer the church. Am I the only one see that things that we did years ago, we don't hold the same value anymore? Wasn't there a time that, and I know, people say, well, when I was little and I was growing up, people say, well, I don't curse on Sunday. But now, have you seen the difference how people would curse no matter what day it is? How people don't respect the church anymore. How people don't even have reverence for the church anymore. And my brothers and sisters, it says, who separated me from my mother's womb. That means that God knew me before my mom brought me into this world. I remember Isaiah saying, woe is me, for I am undone. He said, my lips are unclean. And it was the Lord that purged him. How many people believe that if we're going to stand up for God, we have to be separated from this world? Amen. My brothers and sisters, I think that the world is trying to S-E-T-H. And Seth was considered the godly nation. And Cain was considered the ungodly nation. And at that